This is going to be a quick and easy lesson compared to the previous one. So we do the same thing again. Solid fill color. I'm just going to use a grayish blue color again. Control I, the mask layer again. If some of these principles are new to you, please watch the other videos that I've made creating layers and that sort of thing. Right, so we want to create a cone. We start off with the circle again. So 3 blocks across, 3 blocks up, 3 blocks down, 3 blocks up. And we want to divide it again, like so, and so. And then we want to divide that again, and that again. Then we want to find the third about there and there and there. All right. Then the same old story, drawing a circle, connecting the dots. All right, so that's the first part. So let's draw a vertical line. So I'm going to select the center. While holding shift in, I'm going to pull it up. And say, for instance, we want the cone to be this high. Then just disable all of that, and then click, and while holding shift in, click to that point, and the same here. So that's how you create a cone. But sometimes you want this cone not to be pointy. So then we can we can use this to cut off the cone. So basically using the circle again, the circle principle, we can cut off the cone. Come on. Right. Thirds, thirds, and thirds, thirds. Okay, this is going to be too small. I'm going to show you how we're going to edit that. Select that, control, using the marquee, the selection tool, lasso tool. Select that, and then press Control T on the keyboard and drag it till it's about in the right position, so it will cut and cut there as well. Control D, and let's reduce the opacity, create a new fill layer. This time we can make it a bright pink, maybe a little bit darker. Control I, the mask, brush, and now we want to draw in our cone. Like so. Whoops. There's a quick and easy cone. Right, so but we can still use this. Let's use this. Whoops. Right. You see, and that's how you can draw cones using the circle. Now, if we wanted to make this cone almost like translucent or transparent, like glass, we can do this. Create a bit of a thickness to our object, like so. We can even make it hollow, like that. And the same for the top part. And that's how you create a cone. Right, so we've done a cone that stands up vertically, so a cone like that. How do we create a cone that's going in that direction, the Y or the X direction. So let's create a new fill layer, Control I the mask, and then brush tool. This time we're gonna use that. So we're gonna make it upright. The same process we do. We've drawn the circles. So the same process we used to draw all of the circles. Right, this time we want to have the cone going that way. Right, and then let's duplicate this layer and control delete it, reduce the opacity of this one, and let's change the color a little bit, so, and then so, and that's how you create a cone that's going in the horizontal direction. Instead of standing up vertically, it goes into a horizontal direction. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.